Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys a product that was sent to me, and I don't really know why. I'm going to do the video just because they were nice enough to send it, but they want me to show off one of these, their new X10, and I'll put a link in the description to their actual store. I got to find it first. It's been sitting on my desk for a couple weeks. This is the X10 wireless charging base, and you know, they sent it to me to review, and I said, you know, I don't have any of these phones, so I can't even demonstrate it. But I'm going to show it to you anyway, and then, you know, if your phone is compatible, then I encourage you to check it out. My sister has an iPhone 8, so looks like I'm going to give it to her. So presentation, you have a box, a sleeve that slides off the box. You open the box, like kind of like a book, and there it is right there. I wish it's something I could use because it's supposed to be high-speed charging, and it's actually, I mean, pretty cool looking. It's not like, you know, it's very flat. You can put this on a desk. I mean, it's not going to be, I've seen some of them that are kind of larger, pretty small. And this was, who makes this thing? This is made by, I guess, X10. X10, just like the old home control company. It looks like it's compatible with an S8, S7, and Note 8 by Samsung, an iPhone 8, and the iPhone X. So I guess those phones have, I don't go with those I don't spend money on those phones. I go with Virgin Mobile. The phone's $100 and it's an octa-core. It works great and I don't have to worry about it. I would not feel comfortable carrying an $800 phone in my pocket. So anyway, that's just my opinion. You have a flat cord on it, USB plug. Didn't come with the power supply, so you have to use your own or plug it into a computer or something that's going to be left on. That's it right there. It's got kind of like this, I don't know if you call that like a tweed or like a, almost like a jean material on top. Silver flat bottom, very, very small. It's almost like the size, a little bit larger than a coffee cup. And just for size comparison here, this is what I could use it for. But anyway, my sister will get use out of this. And so that's it. That's all I really can say about it. I can't really tell you much about it other than the fact it says it's made by Lanmu, I guess. The box says X10. The device is Lanmu wireless charger. Input 5 volts, 2 amps, 9 volts, 1.7 amp. Output 5 volt, 1 amp / 9 volt, 1.2 amp. Charging frequency 100 to 200 hertz. So that's it. I mean, I could come back and re-review it, but really what's going to happen is you're going to take your phone, put it on top of it, and it's going to charge. And I don't think that, I'm 99% certain. You know, I'm going to plug it in here because now I'm just kind of curious. I know my phone doesn't. My phone's, I don't think those inexpensive phones like mine have that, but I'm going to plug it in now just to see if anything happens. Alright, so it did flash with a little lightning bolt right here. I guess that let us know that we have power. I don't know if that's try it again. So I turned it off and I turned it back on. So see, the thing is, we don't even know. I wish it would have stayed lit. We don't even know if it has power still. Alright, plugged it in, it flashed. I think that's all it's supposed to do. So you plug it in and it flashes. So let's see. Try that one more time. Alright, yeah, so that's basically it. You gotta plug it in, it's gonna flash twice. And I guess you know that it's powered on, and I don't think mine, I highly doubt mine will do anything here. Yeah, so obviously my phone does not have any wireless charging whatsoever, but that's to be expected. So my sister got used to this, and maybe I'll come back and re-review it. But nonetheless, I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested in a wireless charger. This is one of the nicer ones I've seen. Just due to it's so flat. Like this would have been perfect on my desk, but I don't have any of those phones. I never will have those phones. So, alright guys, thanks again for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.